We tested the 710 Endeavor robotic system and the Andros FX robotic system. The expected outcomes of the testament were to find the capabilities of each robotics platform system and try to bridge the gap that we have on an OCONUS VBID threat.
Go in there, he's in the front seat, and you get pictures of the control. It's a laptop. Okay.
We are testing the limitations and capabilities of our new force design update, going from a 3-man to a 2-man team concept, and just letting the soldiers give them feedback on what they can and can't accomplish under the new force design update. So I think that's going to be vital feedback to the EOD community and hopefully help the EOD community as a whole across the United States Army.